If you have been wondering how can you add your location on Snapchat and make yourself visible on the Snap Map, today in this video, after watching till the very end, you'll know exactly how to do that, and you'll know how to make yourself visible on the Snap Map, and all of your friends on Snapchat will be able to check you out there. So first we need to go to your settings, so we go to your up drawer and find settings and tap on it to open it. Now scroll down and find apps. Now right here, so go ahead and open apps. Make your way through manage apps to find the Snapchat app settings. You can wait for the apps to load up and search for them right here by scrolling down, or you can tap on the search bar in the top and search for Snapchat easily, just like that. Go ahead and open it, then go to app permissions. Then make sure the Snapchat app has access to your location services, because if it doesn't, you won't be able to use location on Snapchat. So after getting that done, we can finally go ahead and open the Snapchat app. And once you open it, you make your way through your profile by tapping right here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji. Then we have to go to your settings, so tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now from settings, look for see my location, so scroll down and stop once you see my location and tap on it right there. Now this is the page that you're looking for. You need to turn off the ghost mode to be able to make yourself visible on Snapchat. So once you turn that off and you keep settings like that, that means all of your friends get to see your location. If you set it to the second option, everyone can see your location except the ones you choose right here. So if I choose these two, they won't be able to see my location if I save these changes. If I go back and choose the third option, that means no one can see my location except for the people that I choose right here after I save the changes. Just like that. Now if I want to turn on the ghost mode again and hide my location, all I need to do is to tap on ghost mode, then choose a duration, maybe 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. I'm gonna choose the last one. And just like that, I have hidden my location again. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.